Yo, today we're having our first video on the inborn errors of metabolism, okay? The IEM biochemistry, okay? So inborn errors of metabolism biochemistry. So we're moving. So our focus for this lecture is for us to have an overview and our first video in inborn errors of metabolism. Okay, so these are like examples of type of inborn error metabolism diseases. We have the Niemann-Pick disease, we have the Tay-Sachs disease, and we have glycogen storage diseases. Okay, so inborn errors of metabolism, they comprise a group of disorders in which a single gene defect causes a clinical block, okay, in the metabolic pathway. All right, so if there is a metabolic pathway to produce energy, if there's a gene defect and if there's a block in this pathway, energy will not be produced. If there's a metabolic pathway to produce amino acid for the body and there's a block in the pathway, amino acid will not be produced, okay? So this results in either accumulation of substrate behind the block, okay? So when there is accumulation of this substrate behind the block, all right, because the substrates are not able to process into the product, okay? So there's accumulation of substrate behind the block. So there will be deficiency of products, okay? Products will not be formed, all right? These are like examples of inborn errors of metabolism disorders, okay? So inborn errors metabolism diseases are defined by their clinical features, okay? How they present, okay? And also the enzymes affected, okay? If it is glycogen, if there is a formation of glucose, what is the enzyme that is actually affected that is leading to this, okay? And also their pattern of inheritance. Are they inherited on the recessive dominance? Okay, sorry. Are they inherited recessively or dominantly? Okay. So inborn errors of metabolism diseases form a large class of genetic disorders involving congenital disorders of metabolism. In most cases, problems arises due to accumulation of substances which are toxic or interfere with the normal functions of the body, and to the effect of reduced ability to synthesize essential compounds. All right. So, for example, inborn error disease in protein metabolism. If there's a gene mutation, there's an abnormal protein, okay? Abnormal protein in place, not the right protein needed, okay, for the process to continue. So this can affect the enzyme, this can affect transport proteins, and this can affect other proteins. And this will ultimately lead to what? Abnormal metabolites. Okay. So inborn errors of metabolisms diseases are now often referred to as what? Congenital metabolic diseases or inherited metabolic diseases. Okay. So traditionally, the inherited metabolic diseases are classified as orders of can either be amino acid metabolism or carbohydrate metabolism disorder, or organic acid metabolism disorder, or purine or pyrimidine metabolism disorder, that's nucleic acid. It can be disorder in steroid metabolism, can be disorder in porphyrin metabolism, can be peroxisomal formation, can be lysosomal storage functions disorders. All right. This is our overview of inborn errors of metabolism. I'll be making it into a playlist. So if you want to watch more videos on inborn errors of metabolism diseases, just search um just go to our YouTube channel, go to the playlist, then you see inborn errors of metabolism. Just scroll down, you see inborn errors of metabolism, all right? So I think I have a total of 32 videos on inborn errors of metabolism. Okay. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye for now.